Do you want to turn your child's room into a fun, colorful, and cozy space without spending too much? Stay with me, because today I'll share simple kids' room decoration ideas that are budget-friendly and super creative. Hi everyone! Welcome back! A kid's room is not just a place to sleep. It's their little world where they play, learn, and dream. Decorating it can feel challenging, but with a few smart choices, you can make it both beautiful and functional. Practical suggestions. Let's start with the basics. 1. Wall colors or stickers. Instead of repainting the whole room, use colorful wall stickers. They come in fun shapes like animals, stars, or superheroes. A set usually costs less than painting an entire wall, and you can change them anytime. 2. Storage solutions. Kids have lots of toys. Use baskets, colorful boxes, or under-the-bed storage bins. These are cheap, easy to move, and keep the room neat. 3. Creative corners. Add a small study or reading corner with a floor mat, a small bookshelf, and a lamp. You don't need expensive furniture. Simple plastic shelves or even DIY crates work well. 4. Personal touch. Frame your child's artwork or hang their crafts on the wall. It costs almost nothing but makes the room special. Tools explained. You'll need very basic tools, a measuring tape for fitting furniture, adhesive hooks for hanging things without drilling, and a pair of scissors for DIY crafts. These tools are affordable and reusable. Quick tips. Use bright bed sheets with cartoon prints instead of expensive bed frames. Choose multi-use furniture like a bed with drawers. Add fairy lights. They're cheap and instantly make the room magical. Cost comparison. For example, painting a room might cost $100 or more, but wall stickers can be done for around $20. Buying a fancy bookshelf could cost $80, but stacking crates might cost just $15. Small changes save big money. So, by using smart storage, creative wall designs, and budget-friendly decor, you can easily transform your child's room into a happy and functional space. Don't forget to subscribe for more home ideas. Like this video if you found it helpful, share it with friends, and comment below with your favorite kids' room decor idea.